There's loads of houses in Ireland that have stonework like this. There might be old cottages, it might be a heritage building, could be tourist facility or whatever it is, an old farmhouse. And obviously you wouldn't like to externally insulate that because you'd be losing the heritage effect of the stone. So most people would like to internally insulate that. Now we've looked at ways that you can use PIR, we've looked at vapor control layers, we've looked at wood fibre insulation, but we're going to show you another approach for a stone wall like this, which you may not have come across before and which we hope you'll find interesting. I've got something here which you may not have seen before. It's quite a new product to Ireland, but it's plaster, right? But it's an insulating plaster. And what gives it its insulation value is there's actually Portuguese cork, little chunks of Portuguese cork inside in this plaster. I'm going to put this away now because it's very dusty. But what we've done here for this stone wall building is we've actually plastered it with this insulating plaster. The brand name for it is diathanite, okay? And you can build it up to quite a thickness. You can build it up to 50 millimeters or even more. It's a wonderful product insofar as it's very good in terms of vapor movement. Just like wood fibre insulation, it can absorb quite a lot of vapor from the house in the winter time. And because it's a natural product, because it has that cork in it, it can absorb a fair degree of moisture without affecting its insulation value. And then in the summertime, when the vapor drive moves from outside to inside, in other words, when the vapor drive is towards the house interior, if any moisture has built up in that over the winter season, it can breathe back out literally into the home interior. So it's breathable, it works very well with vapor, it's a natural product. It's a plaster obviously, so you can have a nice plaster finish, and it's also got a lovely texture, so it's very kind of warm to the eye if you like, and I would encourage you to check that out. As I say, it's quite a new approach in Ireland, and it's especially relevant to buildings where heritage is a concern and where you want to be very careful in terms of moisture and vapour movement.